Here's what you need to know about what is a site survey. This is an exam topic in Domain 3, Network Operations. By the end of this video, you'll understand the core concepts and exactly what to expect on the CompTIA Network Plus exam. Let's get into it. A site survey is an assessment of a physical location to plan or optimize a network. It identifies where to place access points, how walls affect signals, and what interference sources exist. Site surveys are essential before deploying or expanding a wireless network. Key concept: wireless signal assessment. A wireless site survey measures signal strength, coverage areas, and dead zones throughout a building. This ensures every user gets reliable Wi-Fi coverage without gaps. Key concept: interference and obstacles. Walls, metal equipment, microwaves, and neighboring Wi-Fi networks all cause interference. A site survey identifies these obstacles so access points can be placed to minimize their impact. Key concept: heat map visualization. Site survey software generates heat maps showing signal strength across a floor plan. Green areas have strong signal, red areas have weak or no coverage. Key concept: active versus passive survey. A passive survey listens to existing signals without connecting to any network. An active survey connects to an AP and tests real throughput. Let's look at the full breakdown. Passive survey listens without connecting, maps existing RF environment, identifies interference sources, no test traffic generated. Active survey connects to access point, tests real throughput speeds, validates roaming behavior, requires live network access. Here's a real-world example. A hospital is expanding its wireless network to cover a new wing. Before installing APs, the IT team conducts a site survey. They discover that thick concrete walls between rooms block signals badly, and old medical equipment on the 2.4 GHz band causes interference. The survey allows them to choose 5 GHz APs and position them optimally before spending money on installation. Quick recap before you go. 1. Site surveys assess a location before deploying or expanding a wireless network. 2. Identify dead zones, interference sources, and optimal AP placement. 3. Heat maps show signal strength visually across a floor plan. 4. Passive surveys listen only. Active surveys test real throughput. 5. Site surveys reduce costly rework by catching issues before installation. That's what is a site survey? Covered. Exam tip: know the difference between passive and active surveys. Passive =, no connection, just listening. Active =, connected to an AP, testing real data rates. The exam may ask which type to use in a given scenario. Next up, what is IPAM? If this helped, hit subscribe. New topics drop every week.